because I have sold every single Dior jewelry piece that I once owned. Yeah. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today I have a little small unboxing video for you, and I asked you last week in my London luxury shopping vlogs what item you think I got, and I mean this is probably now very obvious but yeah, for anyone who hasn't seen my London luxury shopping vlogs yet, please go and check them out. It was such a nice day and such a nice experience after all these months to finally, you know, go shopping again and see the outside world again and get my luxury fix. So we went down to Knightsbridge, to Harrods, and to a couple of the vintage shops, and yeah, it was fantastic. It just, you know, it felt really nice, and I think a lot of us really need that at the moment. After all these months of, you know, isolation and lockdown. Okay, so today this is an unboxing video, and I wanted to have these earrings, this pair of earrings, for a long time. I actually had a very similar one in the past, and I'm gonna tell you all about the Dior jewelry pieces that I had in the past in my collection and that I sold, because I have sold every single Dior jewelry piece that I once owned. Yeah. So I hope I will keep these forever, and I could definitely see that happening because it's a classic piece. But yeah, so this is the little nice Dior bag that you get at the moment, and you have your receipt. First of all, I got my pair in Harrods, and then, whoops, to reveal the little nice, okay, I have to come closer, I think, oops. Okay, the little nice Dior packaging, and they pack it up really nicely, and I always like to keep these little bags because I think it's just like nice decoration even, so yeah. Okay, so here is the beautiful little box, and oh yeah, I can't wait to finally own this pair. And yeah, I knew I always wanted that one. I actually did have this pair before in pink in like a rose gold color, and I think my heart always wanted the classic ones, the classic pearls. So yeah, let's see. Let me open this little bow, and here we go. You can already see what's in there, I think. How do I get them out? Carefully. Woo! There's one, and there's the other one. So as you can see, how do I do this? Like this? Yeah. As you can see, these are the classic Dior Tribal earrings, and this is just the classic white pearl version with the gold metal. Yeah, and so I had this exact pair of earrings basically in pink before, and I really liked them. However, I think the pink was not as versatile as the white ones obviously would be. Come on, focus. Here we go. So there you can see them, and I think it's just a very classic and chic pair of earrings. Okay, so let's see how they look like on. This is it. So yeah, I absolutely love the Dior Tribal style. I've always loved this model. I don't know why I decided to go for the pink version first. Maybe because I thought it was a little bit more special, but I think the rose gold actually, of course, doesn't go with everything as well as like a, you know, pearl earring does. And yeah, let me come a little bit closer again. So there you can see them, and oh yeah, absolutely love them. I think they are very classic and chic. So yeah, when it comes to all the Dior jewelry pieces that I had before and that I actually sold, and I will tell you for each and every individual piece why I sold them. You know, I've had quite a lot, and I sold quite a lot, and it's not that Dior is bad quality or anything, not at all. Dior earrings are very good quality, and they are a lot cheaper than Chanel, you know, jewelry pieces, Chanel earrings, Chanel necklaces, and so on. I think it was just a matter of like, I didn't really like the style that much, or it did actually hurt me while I was wearing the jewelry piece. So yeah, let's get into this. So first of all, I had the Dior it was like this pair of asymmetrical Dior earrings. It had like the Dior on the one side and then you had the little bee on the other side. The little bee is actually a sign, like a symbol from Dior, like you always find it somewhere, basically. Yeah, so this pair I really liked. However, the length of the stick, you know, I don't know how you want to call it, the little thing that you put through your ear, basically, through your earlobe, it was very, very short. And it actually did hurt my earrings after only wearing them for like an hour or two, because they really pressed onto my ears, basically. So they, you know, it was a beautiful pair of earrings, very stylish, I think, and I really like asymmetrical pieces anyway. But yeah, my ears are quite sensitive and it did hurt them a lot, so I just decided to sell that pair. Next up, I had this Dior Tribal pair of earrings with like the little hoops around the pearls. So those pearls are actually smaller than these ones. However, they have the additional golden metal hoop. And my hair just got tangled up in that hoop all the time. And it was the most annoying thing. And yeah, I got like even nodules and everything in my hair just because of the earrings, because it was constantly like stuck. So I've decided to sell that pair as well. It was a beautiful piece, but yeah, not really working for me. Yeah, then I had this Dior choker, and I've said that in my 5 best and worst luxury purchases video before. If you haven't seen that video, please go and check that out. I'm gonna link it in the description box. And that choker was beautiful. However, they only make one size when it comes to this choker. And I would say I have a normal sized or even slim sized neck. But it was so tight, and it was really uncomfortable to wear it for even longer than 10-20 minutes maybe. And yeah, it was just torture, so I've decided to sell that one too. And yeah, I don't know why Dior has decided to, you know, make something like a necklace, something like a choker in only one size, because obviously, you know, the regular population, you know, might have different proportions, but I said that before. It's really a shame, because I really like that piece, especially in combination with the Dior bee earrings. But yeah, had to let it go. Okay, so next up I had this beautiful pair of asymmetrical horse tribal earrings. I don't know what they were called, but it was like a little horse head basically on top of the it was not a pearl in this case, it was actually more like a stone material. It was quite heavy, and as you can guess, then probably it was way too heavy. Like these pearls, they are hollow, and so they're really light, and you know, you shouldn't have any problems with wearing those. But this stone-like material, I don't know what they made those earrings of. But it was just way too heavy, and my ears were, yeah, hurting a lot, and I just had to take it out. No matter if it was the long one or the short one, they were both too heavy, and yeah, it didn't work out. Okay, so then I had this beautiful one-sided, I don't know what you want to call it. It was one earring only. It was sold as one earring alone. And I did really like the style and like all the crystals, and it was really nicely like shaped around your ear, and then it had like the dangly parts down here, and it was quite a statement piece, and I liked it a lot, but it was also so uncomfortable to wear. So you basically put the bottom part through your ear hole and then the top part was like a little hook that you basically just attach to your upper ear part, and it was so uncomfortable. Like, it did really hurt. It was basically like a little, I don't know how you want to call it, like a little clump. It was hugging your earlobe quite a bit. So much so that it was painful. Yeah guys, okay, that was basically it. I think that was all my Dior jewelry pieces. I don't think I've forgotten any. But yeah, I hope that you did enjoy this video. Let me know, of course, if you have any Dior jewelry pieces in your collection and what kind of experiences you have with your jewelry. But yeah, okay guys, so I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Join our little handbag obsessed / fashion obsessed family here. Because we all do have the same luxury disease. At least that's what I like to say. We all do share the same passion / obsession, right? Okay, I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!